Data analytics today is driving business processes cutting across industry verticals. Businesses need tools to access data from multiple sources, perform advanced analytics, recognize patterns, identifying correlations and trends, and come up with actionable business insights. Advanced analytics is revolutionizing businesses from travel, entertainment, finance, healthcare, logistics, retail, banking all the way to national security. Welcome to the world of SAS Advanced Data Analytics. The SAS software suite lets you manage, manipulate and analyze your data, deploy statistical techniques, build sophisticated models, and ultimately extract valuable business intelligence. SAS is placed among leaders in Gartner Magic Quadrant for advanced analytics platforms. A SAS programmer can earn up to $102,000. There is a shortage of 400,000 SAS analytics professionals around the world. Companies deploying SAS. Intellipaat offers the most comprehensive SAS training. Upon completion of the training, you will gain proficiency in deploying advanced business analytics, SAS functions, data manipulation, databases, spreadsheets, predictive analytics, data visualization. Anybody can get trained in SAS regardless of prior skills. This is an incredible opportunity to fast-track your career and command big salaries. Intellipaat's SAS training course consists of 20 hours of e-learning videos, 40 hours of real-time industry-oriented project work and assignments, real-life projects equivalent to 6 months of industry experience, simulation quiz at the end of course. Prepare for SAS Certified Base Programmer exam. We have exclusive tie-ups with over 80 corporate giants to help with job assistance in India, UK and US. Intellipaat courses comes with 24/7 support, lifetime access, lifetime free upgrade to latest version, job assistance, industry-oriented real-life projects, trainers with 18 years plus experience. Now all you got to do is pick up that phone and call us, or alternately shoot us a swift email and find your career soar to the skies in no time.